Hey everybody, in this video we talk a little bit about some recent news that the Biden administration was leaked actually, about changes to immigration. Check out the video. Hey, thanks for checking in with us. Today I'm talking a little bit about the most recent news from the Biden administration about changes to immigration. Essentially, the Biden administration leaked some information which made it to the New York Times. We're going to put the link down below for you to check it out yourself. About some of the changes they want to make, and they might try to make these changes without help from Congress. Here we go. Launch into the top 4 items we've got here. Number 1 is the U visa wait times. The U visa is for individuals who are victims of serious or violent crimes in the United States, and there's a limit of 10,000 per year. Right now, the wait time to get a U visa, that means after you file it, is almost 4 years, sometimes even 5 years. Biden's already proposed to double the number of U visas and to decrease the wait times. One of the things that he might end up doing is, if you apply for the U visa, he may give you some temporary status or some sort of deferred action is what we call it, to stay in the United States with a work permit during this time. If you got a U visa or the victim of a crime, it's a great case. Definitely call a lawyer. Call us. We'd be happy to help you with it. The next program that was really kind of great news was a reduction in RFEs. Now, in the employment-based field, we get a ton of these. RFEs are requests for additional evidence. And requests for additional evidence can be 1 page, 2 page, 3 pages, but they really cause you to go right back to the drawing board and do a ton of work. That means legal work, your time, and of course the big fear that you might lose your case. So the reduction of RFEs is a great new policy, and we really think, to be honest with you, from working at DHS, what it really sounds like is they're going to install management around the United States, and they're going to basically start putting pressure on US CIS officers to give you more approvals in a quicker fashion. We did a video about some of the policy changes for H-1Bs. This goes right in line with that. The reduction of RFEs is really more approvals, quicker approvals, and less fees for you guys to pay to attorneys. So I like it, and I'm sure you like it as well. Another really great change that was leaked in this report recently was about virtual interviews. All right, so we know that employment-based green cards did not have interviews. It was actually not required, and we used to get green cards approved without interviews all the time. The requirement from the last administration was now you got to interview everybody. And frankly, it's just not possible. The virtual interview is something we've seen in COVID. We've seen that it works. We've seen that it saves time. It's more efficient. It saves the government money. Virtual interviews are coming for a lot of different visas. We'll see if it comes even in consular processing, which would be great, but we'll have to see what happens with that. They also noted that they're going to be looking at e-filing and increasing and expanding e-filing. And we saw that happen just recently with e-filing of I-539s. If the e-filing grows, that is better for you. It makes immigration, moves it to the digital age, right? Let's file things online, let's get it right in, let's have it hit so we know it's in. And it makes the cases go faster in processing. So some of these changes can be done without Congress. E-filing, these virtual interviews, changing some of the numbers, speeding up processing, deferred action. All of these things are steps in the right direction. Depending on where you land, if you've got an employment-based case or you've got a U visa or you're waiting for DACA, it's really important to see the changes happening and recognize that these are things that are coming down the line and they're going to mean changes to immigration in the future. So I'm really, really hopeful. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe down below, and leave us a comment about what kind of change you would like to see in immigration, because we address those things in our future videos to make sure you guys are happy. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.